Look at that, we've got some behind the scenes stuff with Joe and the camera. We are making a documentary here on Newcastle Fans TV. We are going to be we're going to go down to Hartlepool to see how Ryton get on. Promotion's looking very tough, they need results to go their way, and Ryton have got to win the last few games of the season. But let's get down to Hartlepool, let's see how they get on. Right, so we've just popped Tesco, got loads of healthy food as I'm on my health kick for the last few weeks. I've lost 2.5 stone in, 6 weeks? Oh, this looks tasty, doesn't it? Does this look tasty? Ah, it does. Right, we have fueled, we've got some food in. Let's head on doing back to Hartlepool. Right, everyone, we have arrived. I drove past it twice, giving us the wrong postcode, but anyway, we are here. We are about half an hour before kick-off. It is 7th versus 9th. Now, last week, when we were all celebrating at the parade, Ryton had a massive game against Chesterfield Street United, and unfortunately, they got beat 3-0. That was a massive blow to their push for promotion. It's still not over yet. There is a slight chance. Ryton are 6 points behind. There's 3 games to left. Ryton have to win here today. It's simple as that. And then hope Esh or Thornaby don't win. But it's looking a little bit tough. Let's not kid ourselves before kick-off, but all Ryton can do is win, and then we have to see what's going on around the league. But we're bringing those results, half-time scores and results later. Plonk myself here in this little stand to get a good view at half-time. You can see the logo of FC Hartlepool. Now, it's not to be confused with Hartlepool United. Obviously, they're the bigger club round here, but supporting non-league gives me Crystal Palace vibes, that, doesn't it? But this is where I'm going to sit and do the match recordings up here. Right, so as the lads are warming up, let's bring up the lineup. Da-da-da-da-da. Lovely stuff. Let's do it in numeric order. In goal, as per usual, is Brogan. No, wearing number 2, Jack Spur. Scott Oldfield will wear 3. Charlie Grieverson will wear 4. He's probably going to play defensive midfield. Glenn Cahill, Dale Burrell 6. Fergus Lynch, Albert Fletcher, Louis Calvert, Declan Bissett, and number 11, Morgan Dar out wide. On the bench for Ryton, remember you only get 5 substitutions, which is mental. We have Richard Hoggins, Lika Cairns, Oliver Simmons, and Callum Oldfield. There's actually only 4 substitutions that Ryton have. How stretched are Ryton today? But how 3 points, come on lads. That's it. Right, everyone, it is Baltic. I'm freezing, but Ryton unfortunately have came away with a defeat there. We're seeing it hit the woodwork, penalty save, and unfortunately Thornaby have gone and scored in the 94th minute, getting a point late on. Ryton cannot get in the playoffs this season. Other results, Ashwin got beat as well, but as you can see in the league table now, the playoffs, you've got to come in the top 5, and Ryton sadly can't make it. However, there has been progress in Ryton the last 2-3 years, going from near the bottom end of the table to mid-table to chasing for the playoffs. It's been a good season. We've been following for the last 7 or 8 games, and we'll carry on to do so next season. But it's a team that I feel that's on the up. Look, we had a lot of players that were missing today, a lot of key players, which doesn't help. But this is what you get further down the tables, you know, other commitments for other players, injuries, you name it. But sadly, Ryton have been beaten down here in Hartlepool. Let's go and take the dog for a little walk, shall we?